secure, so you don't have to worry about it. You can tug at it and it's not going anywhere. This is gorgeous. I love the length. I'm not sure what length it is. All the details will be down below, of course. A full description of the unit down below, y'all, but just look at this. Do y'all see? Y'all see that? Oh my God, so cute. This is just perfect for the season. It's just easy hair. And if you wanna wear it like, let's say pulled back out your face, you can wear it in like a half up, half down. Literally just grab the hair, have your ponytail like a half up, half down style. Of course, this is how I'm gonna wear it because I just love big curly hair. It's just so versatile and cute. Like you can't go wrong with this. And it's gonna look cute on any type of skin tone. So you guys check out Beautyforeverhair. Look down below for a coupon code as well as the link straight to this unit. And y'all need this. Y'all can't tell me y'all don't need this. Is cute. Okay, you guys, we are back. I've been letting this hair dry for about 45 minutes. Let's go ahead and take the band off. And the wig is melted. Yes, yes, yes it is. Do you see that? Wig melted. Yes, it is still considered a glueless wig. All I did was just put a little lace glue, let it sit for about 45 minutes, and that is literally it. So this is Beautyforever's Ombre finger coil unit. As you can see, it has the ringlet finger coils in it. I love these little curls at the bottom. And when you get the hair wet with your product, with your water, with your mousse, you can finger coil this with your finger. You literally put water on here, you put some mousse on here, you wrap it around your finger, you let it go, and it'll help your ringlets just get right back to their original form. That's an easy way of doing it. Also, if you have a diffuser, get the hair wet with your products, use your diffuser, and it will help the ringlets come back to life as well. So this is a really easy unit to maintain.